So today, dear students, I am going to inform you the syllabus of BA Second Year English Paper First British Poetry of Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. There will be 3 units: Unit First, Unit Second and Unit Third. From Unit First, there will come very short questions. From Unit Second, short questions, and from Unit Third, there will come only long questions. Unit first will carry 10 marks, unit second will also carry 10 marks, but unit third will carry 30 marks. So the whole paper will be based on 50 marks. The syllabus of unit first, forms of poetry. You will be asked all the forms of poetry and they will be in numbers only 7. The very first is the lyric. The lyric, the sonnet, the ode, the ballad, the dramatic monologue, the epic and the elegy. All these 7 questions will be based on the prescribed forms of poetry in your syllabus. From unit second, the questions will come only short questions, maybe explanations or maybe short questions. Now, the syllabus of unit second will be like this. Poetries, because this paper is of British poetry, so of course there will come poets. William Wordsworth, P.B. Shelley, William Wordsworth, P.B. Shelley and John Keats. William Wordsworth, 3 years she grew. William Wordsworth, 3 years she grew, we are 7. There will be 2 poems taken from William Wordsworth, 3 years she grew and we are 7. The poems from P.B. Shelley will be 2 are Skylark and Ozymandias. From John Keats, Ode to a Nightingale and to Sleep. From unit 3rd, as I have told you, long questions will be based on the entire syllabus of your unit 3rd. The very first will be Thomas Gray, Alice written in a country church yard. This will be the poem of Thomas Gray. Next one will be Matthew Arnold, Rugby Chapel. Third one, Lord Alfred Tennyson. The poem of Lord Alfred Tennyson will be Ulysses and the Lotus Eaters. And the last one will be Robert Browning, The Last Ride Together and Rabbi Ben Ezra. These will be your poets from paper first. And total will be 7, 3, that is 40. Only 40.